Welcome, beautiful soul. If you have been feeling waves of fear or anxiety lately, I want you to know you're not alone. These emotions are part of being human, but they don't define who you are. Today, we'll use Reiki energy and sound vibration to gently dissolve fear and anxiety from your energy field and guide you back to your natural state of peace and balance. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Fear and anxiety often appear when we lose our sense of safety, when the mind tries to protect us by predicting or controlling what might go wrong. But these emotions can become heavy, blocking our energy and dimming our connection with peace. Through Reiki, intention, and sound vibration, we can invite those energies to soften, to transform, to flow. We'll begin by cleansing your energy field using the 396 Hz frequency, the tone that helps release fear and guilt. You might hear this tone vibrating through the air. Imagine it moving through your entire body, dissolving tension, doubt, and worry. Let it reach every cell, clearing away what no longer serves you. As I strike the tuning fork, visualize this healing vibration sweeping through your aura, lifting the weight of fear and returning to your calm presence. Now, I invite you to place your hands over your heart or simply rest them comfortably. Let's set our intention together. I am ready to release all fear and anxiety that no longer serve me. I open my heart to peace, to light, and to divine protection. I now call upon the Reiki energy to flow through this session. I invite the guidance of my higher self, my spirit team, and the energy of unconditional love to support your healing now. Take a slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel the Reiki energy flowing around you, warm, gentle, intelligent. With every inhale, imagine you are breathing in light. And with every exhale, you are releasing fear. See this fear as a gray mist gently rising from your body, dissolving into the light above you. Now, imagine a golden river of peace flowing through your chest. It moves softly through your heart, down your arms, and into your hands. This river carries safety, calm, and trust. As Reiki energy fills your aura, your nervous system begins to relax. Your breath deepens. Your shoulders release. Your heart opens. Repeat silently or out loud. I am safe in this moment. I am supported by life itself. I am free from fear. I am peace. Now that your energy has released what was ready to go, let's sweep away any remaining fragments. I'll move the Reiki energy gently through your field, from head to toe, like a soft breeze clearing dust from the air. If you wish, you can visualize yourself standing under a waterfall of golden light, washing away the last traces of tension or worry. All that remains is clarity, calm, and light. I now seal your energy field with pure divine light, keeping this healing active and protected. May this light continue to nurture and restore your peace long after this session ends. You are safe. You are loved. You are whole. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale, returning to your body, grounded and peaceful. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank yourself for showing up, for choosing peace over fear today. If you feel this session brought you calm or clarity, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment on this video to help me grow this circle of light and love. Make sure to drink plenty of water, rest, and move gently for the rest of your day. Thank you for allowing me to share this space with you. Until next time, I'm sending you love and compassionate healing.